Today we are preparing aloo channa chaat. For this we need cup of a kabuli channa. Soak this channa overnight and pressure cook this with water and salt. For aloo channa chaat, we need boiled channa, chopped onion, chopped tomato, grated carrot, smashed potato, green chutney, tamarind chutney, groundnut masala, coriander leaves, mixed masala and salt. Take a bowl, add boiled channa, onions, tomato, grated carrot, potato, green chutney, tamarind chutney, mixed masala, salt and coriander leaves. Add groundnuts for taste. Mix well. Aloo channa chaat is ready to serve. Thank you.